Hey guys, welcome to Code Wrestling. In this video, we will discuss about the ways in which you can make money while coding. First way in which you can make money is by becoming a tutor, the one who can help the beginners to learn code. There are lots of students who needs help, and if you are expert in your field, you can make around $15 to $50 per hour while you are teaching a beginner about coding. Some of the website you can check for becoming a tutor: codementor.io, properly.com, teacherson.com, classgap and tutor.com. The second way in which you can make money with the help of code is by taking part in coding competition, which will earn you a good reward if you win the competition. For all this coding competition, you can check some of the websites like Topcoder, HackerRank, CodeChef and CodeWars. The third way in which you can make money while coding is by writing a blog. If you are good in communication and you have good skill, you can start your own blog which can be monetized with AdSense. And the best thing is for blogs is you can start your monetization immediately. The fourth way in which you can make money with the help of code is by using Quoara. You already know this website. This is famous for question and answer. And if you start writing answer in Quoara, there is a space partner program in which you can earn money by just giving answer to the question. And in this way, you don't have to take care of Google ranking and SEOs because this will be done by Quoara team only. And with the help of writing answers, you can make money. The fifth way in which you can make money with the help of coding is by helping the big website and software to find errors in their system. And this program is called Bug Bounty Hunter. For this, you can start your career in Big Bounty with the help of some websites like HackerOne, Bugcrowd, WhiteHub. So these websites will teach you how to find a bug in a website or software. After learning this, you can be eligible for Big Bounty programs. There you can earn reward if you find any errors in website. The next way in which you can make money in coding is by doing podcast. As this is evolving too much, you can start your podcast. Some of the website where you can start your programming podcast and monetize is like Anchor, Podbean. These are some websites where you can start your podcast for coding and earn money. The next way in which you can make money with the help of coding is by solving questions. Many students are struggling with programming question and they post this question on Check and Paper Help. So you can check this website. If you are expert in this field, you can start solving this question and earn money. For all this, you should have good skill in programming, then you can earn money. The eighth way in which you can make money with the help of code is by writing article. If you don't know anything about SEOs and Google ranking, and if you want to write an article, the best website like Medium, Vocal.media, Longreads, Copy Hackers, these are some websites in which you can write your article. In this website, your article will be published for free and you don't have to worry about SEOs. This article will rank on Google and the viewers are able to watch this articles on Google site, and these articles can be monetized with the help of programs which are running on this website. So in this way, you can write your articles on this particular websites which will help you to earn money without doing any SEOs. If you are good in video creation, you can start a programming channel on YouTube which will be monetized after some time. And the best part of with the YouTube creation is you can create a community for free. It will also help you to reach to the maximum people, as YouTube is the second largest search engine. It's better to start a YouTube channel for programming. The 10th way in which you can make money with the help of coding is by freelancing. Freelancing is also a way you can start and show your skills for developing. A software developer skills for developing as a software developer, but the difficult part in freelancing in today, there are lots of freelancers and they already set up their brand, which would make a newcomer to face a difficulty in showing their gig. But if you are committed and consistent, you can have a good result after some time. You can check websites like Fiverr, Upwork, Guru, People Per Hour, Freelancers, and this website will help you to generate a gig economy. So go and register yourself as a freelancer on this website and start earning money with the help of coding. The 11th way in which you can make money with the help of code is by mobile development. If you are good in mobile development, you can build your own application and publish this application on Play Store, application store. This application can be monetized immediately. For some basic application, you can go and check Code Cannon. There you can find the application where you can buy this application and you can modify this application. After modification, you can publish this application in Google Play Store, and this application will be monetized with the help of AdMob. The 12th way in which you can make money with the help of coding is by building a game. But building a game would be difficult. If you have a little coding knowledge in this field, then you should know that a gaming business is $1 billion business, and these days you can easily create a 2D and 3D game using game engine Unity, and these games will be monetized on Unity Store, Steam and itch.io. The last way in which you can make money with the help of coding for this video is by marketing. If you are good in marketing as well as programming, then I think creating a course and selling that course won't be a difficult part for you. There are many students who needs help, and if you can create a course which can help them, you can make money with it. Some of the websites where you can publish your course are udemy.com, skillshare.com. So this website will provide you a platform where you can publish your code and you can generate some money. So in this video, we have discussed about the ways in which you can make money with the help of coding. In today's world, coding is the basic necessity, and if you know how to code, making money will be very easy for you. So this video covers 13 ways in which you can make money with the help of code. If you know some other ways which can help our subscriber, so you can mention that way in a comment section and we will try to explore that way also. If you need any help while generating a gig economy, we are there for you. If you found any difficulty, you can reach us by commenting on our video or directly email us at codewrestling@gmail.com. So thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel, which will give us motivation to make more such video. Thanks for watching the video.